Are you happy?
Whoa. The question there, why? Who?
Don't know. I mean, when you look at yourself and you look at your journey, are you more happy and content, or do you have a lot of work?
I feel as if I have a lot of work. I mean, I can say that I am proud of some accomplishments. To be honest, I cannot say that I am happy, because...
You look happy when we see you, right?
I mean...
You are this confident breath of fresh air and this energy.
But that is Dutty Berry, and that is something that was just an animated part of my personality. My friends know, you saw how nervous I am. I'm not somebody the only reason why I stepped into Dutty Berry is because I realized with my family, especially with my father, like, he's very talented and stuff, but I realized that he was shy, and so there are a lot of opportunities that he, stepped away from just because he didn't want to put himself out there. And when I looked at that, I was just like, I really do not want to be this person who wants to be in this media space at some point in time and allow my shyness to cripple me from doing what I want to be.
So you became somebody else.
So yeah, when the Dutty Berry is me, but it's really for my very close friends. I believe that I only should give the best of me and all of me to people who I really, really care about or who are in my circle. So when I decided that I'm going to do this thing, I had to share that part of it. And during the point in time, I became I felt like I was like 90% Dutty Berry and 10% Rushaine. And why I said that Tami Chin thing kind of really, inspired me is that at this point in time now, I feel like there's a reversal happening, that I really want to be 90% Rushaine and 10% Dutty Berry.
Wow. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, it means doing a program like this and kind of allowing myself to be nervous and to be shy.
I love that. I love that.
It is a part of that.
Yes.